Here is 8:15 p.m. and our customer's machine already tested. Now the machines are running. Let's go. Okay. Now I am sending our workshop, and please follow me. I will introduce you. I will show you our machines, how to run. Let's go. Our customer, Turkey customer's machine, and you can see this. This pad is so thin, 0.28 millimeter. See, very, very thin. And the diameter is 22 millimeter. It must consider the machine's precision. So higher precision can do these thin pads. Okay, and here our engineer are testing it, and the pad, see, the pad is welding. Here, look at this pad. This pad is like this, and this mold is so small, so the pad can be done. And we use the industry gearbox. See, the industry gearbox means it's very easy to the pad. So if you are interested in our machine, please contact us. We will answer your questions, anything. That's it. Thank you.